Hey guys, what's up? My name's Danny, aka Thriftfish, and I'm an online fashion reseller. I sell on Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari, and today I'm back with another ThredUP online outlet haul. I got my box last night and decided to go through everything with you. But before we get to that, I wanted to let you know that this video, as well as the last video I put out, and my videos I'll be putting out next week, in my description I will have a link to somewhere where you can donate for the Black Lives Matter movement, as well as a resource that you can go to just learn and read and research. So if you can't donate, or if you can donate and want to look at the resources as well, both options will be there. Anything you can give is amazing. I'm going to be donating to all of the places that I will be including in my videos and checking out those resources as well. So I invite you to join me in that because there is a lot of work to do. So thank you for tuning in, and now we will go ahead and get to the ThredUP online outlet haul. If you're not familiar with the ThredUP online outlet, it is a section of the ThredUP website that I think most people have by now, but it's a fairly new section, so you may still not have it. But it basically is a bunch of markdown items where if you buy 5 items, you get a 20% discount. If you buy 10, you get a 30% discount. And if you buy 20, you get a 40% discount. So I've been sourcing a lot of inventory from that section during stay-at-home orders for the COVID-19 crisis. And I'm continuing to order from there as I am enjoying both the cost of goods as well as what I'm able to find. So I will go ahead and show you what I got. I got about 20 items. There was one item that I got that was actually mislabeled. The brand was not correct on the ThredUP website, so I will be attempting to return that. That has happened to me once before, and they did a full return on that, no problem, even though it was final sale. But I may show you that at the end. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first item is this Free People Beach size small. This is like a coral color, just like a jersey dress, but it has a really cute cutout in the back. This is in really nice condition. Next up is a Love Moschino size, I guess 8. Yes, size 8 is the USA size. And it's just like a jacquard pencil skirt, navy blue, very pretty. Next up is, this is Wallace, which is a Madewell brand. It's a little older, but I still have luck selling this subset of Madewell. It's just like a sweater t-shirt dress, but it has wool and cashmere and angora, so it's nice quality material. And it has this like mesh here. I wonder if that's to keep it from being itchy on the back of your neck. That would be cool. Next up, this one has the ThredUP tag on it, but this is just a Zara basic, but it's a really pretty print, really pretty bold print with like this, I don't even know what kind of detail you would call that. And it's like a satiny, it's not silk, but it's like a silk satin feeling material. The next item actually is silk, and I am considering just sending this back into ThredUP. But I have to kind of check the condition. This is a fairly older Tracy Reese piece, but it is silk and has really pretty colors and this crazy beading on it with the tassel. So I might send it back to ThredUP and see if I can get them to reprice their own item. We'll see. This next item was marked as an assorted brand, and I've addressed assorted brands in my past videos, but basically they just seem to be items that ThredUP didn't recognize when they were processing them, or just kind of moved too quickly through it. I actually don't know what this brand is. It's cut off at the top. I don't know, it's super weird, but I just really liked the print, or like the tie-dye weird like splotchy look of it, because that's kind of in right now, and it's just like a stretchy jersey dress. So hopefully someone will still be interested in purchasing this item. I know nothing about it, but I figured I would take that risk on the style. This is a really pretty dress. The next item is this Anthropologie Chemian Kin size extra small, like stripy sleeveless turtleneck dress. It's really pretty. It has pockets. Yeah, so that one's nice. It's a nicer Anthropologie piece. I don't know a whole lot about this brand, but it's been sitting in my cart for a while, and I did some brief research on it when I found it. But this is Elsa Manda, size small, and it's just this star print sweater. And it has wool, alpaca, and mohair in it as well, made in Italy. So just a nice quality, fun star print sweater. It might be a little warm for the season, but it's still pretty on trend. This is just J. Crew. It's not super old or super new, size small. Just a linen knit lace front, like pullover sweater. That was a nice lightweight sweater piece. Here's another one that I'm considering sending back to ThredUP, although it does have a run in it, so I might be out of luck. But this is an Ellie Tahari size extra small, just like silk sheer blouse, and it has these like buttons at the top. So it's very delicate, very pretty. Again, I had planned to send it back to ThredUP Luxe, but we'll see. It might not be in the condition for that. Another Wallace piece. I got two Wallace items. Wallace size small, just a knit kind of short sleeve piece here. Navy blue. I've never sold this brand before, but I've been hearing things about it lately, about it doing well, so I'm going to try it. This is an Untuck It shirt, size 4. It is 100% linen, and it's just this like bubblegum pink button-up shirt. So, like I said, I've heard good things about Untuck It, so we'll see how it does. This is just a really pretty J. Crew piece that I need to look up this collaboration, but it actually seems fairly newer. It's extra small, but it's really pretty, this print, and the colors are so nice. So yeah, I just had to get this piece. Excited to see. I don't know anything about Abigail Borg for J. Crew. Hopefully I said that name right. This is an Anthropologie by Eloise. Oh, where's the angle? There it is. Size small, silk, snake print cami. Just a pretty piece. Pretty nice for summer, especially with snake print being in. I just have to button up this skirt really quickly. This next one is from Anthropologie as well. It is a button front, kind of flared out, multicolor zigzag stripe, Pilcrow and the letterpress size 6 skirt. We'll see how this does. Figured I'd take a chance. It seemed like a more recent style of Pilcrow, so hopefully it does well. This is so cute. I don't usually do a whole lot of BB Dakota or Jack by BB Dakota, but this is Jack by BB Dakota, size extra small, and it's just a really soft, ooh, can you see it? Yeah, really soft, slouchy sweater with the wide sleeves with the texture on them. It's stretchy and soft and lovely and wonderful. Okay, last couple of items here. This is Wilfred Free, size small, just a lace-up front black blouse. That's pretty much it. Nothing too exciting about that, but it's a nice basic piece. I didn't know what kind of material these would be, but I love it. This is Dolan, hold on, size extra small. They're a little worn, but they're like a stretchy, soft knit, wide leg, animal print pant. I don't think I'm gonna go wrong with those. I'll just disclose there's like, it's just like worn, like that kind of sweatshirt, pilly, it's like that wild fox look. But I don't think it's supposed to be like that. I don't know. I think they're just old, but they are still wonderful. I'll just keep them if no one wants them. Although they might be a little small on me. Anyway, this is the last piece, and it is an Anthropologie. At least I think, I don't know if this one's always sold at Anthropologie, but this is Leafsdotter, size 4. Just like a really fun, colorful print, silk, tiered ruffle, tank top, cami thing. So that is it for the items that I'm going to be selling. This dress is the item that I'll probably be returning. It was supposed to be Rinku Dalamo. I don't know if I'm saying that right, and I think that's sometimes sold at Anthropologie. I've sold it once before. It sold quickly for me, so I was really excited to get this, which I thought it was that brand, but it turns out it is Dahlia. Yeah, it's just Dahlia. So, and I think this is a fairly inexpensive brand, so I will be attempting to return this. But overall, I'm really happy with everything else I got. I'm excited to get to listing it. I actually just placed another ThredUP outlet order, so hopefully we'll get a haul when that one comes in as well. I would really appreciate it if you took some time to either donate or take a look at the resources I've put in the description for this video. I want to help in any way I can. So thank you again so much for being here, and I will see you again real soon.